Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I am in the bathroom of my bedroom, and my bedroom is all full of gnomes. That's right. I don't know how that happened, but they all got into my bed, and I want to see how many of them are there. Why don't we take a look together? Did you hear them snoring? Let me close this door. Did you hear that? I'm in the bathroom of my house right now. They are in the bedroom. I think there's like 7 of them. Let's take another look. Let's go to the bathroom again. Okay. Oh boy. Now what do I do? There are 7 of them in my bed. Let's see. Oh, they stopped snoring. They stopped snoring, but they're still sleeping. Let's take a look. They stopped snoring. They are still sleeping, but they stopped snoring. Well, let's go. Let's let them sleep. And I thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with me to check out my bedroom.